It's about the DrillDown report. The DrillDown report was recently added in the tracker. I think it's a great addition because it shows data in a different way, more of a pivot style table, my pivot table style. It's really nice to group data, and let's see some examples. For the DrillDown report, you will go to Stats, DrillDown Stats, and let's take the campaign, for example, woodwork. And now you have the option to choose how you want to group the data. You see that here I have grouped this data first by the country and then by the keyword from that campaign. And now on the first level, I see all the countries where this campaign ran. And then if I expand a country, then I see where it was shown, where the ads were shown on Facebook, Instagram, audience network, and so on. The same for each country. I can go even deeper, and if I want to see also data grouped by the ad ID, I will add the ad ID here, refresh the drill down, and now I see the country, then a breakdown on the placement, and a breakdown of the ads. You have 4 levels of grouping available here. You can do the 4th level as well. It's very useful to see your data structured in this style. And what we have added now is the option to export this data. We have 2 export options actually. The first export will be as a simple CSV, which will export each line, as you can see here, with the metrics for each combination between the country keyword and ad ID. But the interesting part is that we also have an export as a pivot table in Excel. So if we choose this, the export will be exactly as displayed in the page. It will be an Excel pivot table. You have to enable editing because it's a file downloaded from the internet. And now you have an actual pivot table displayed here with the countries, the placement, and the ad ID for each country. You have the option to collapse, to expand, to collapse a specific level. You have summaries for each level. This is very helpful to optimize the campaigns, to see what's working, where you can improve, where you should stop traffic, what's not working. It's a pivot table that is very, very powerful.